हेलो, स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे नए वीडियो में। आज हम सीखने वाले हैं A to N। A for apple, B for ball, C for cat and D for dog। किड्स, वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। A for apple, B for bat, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.